Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your REALME GT 2 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Here write Microsoft Edge. Like that, and hit the search button. Now select this app and press install. After installation process will be complete, we can open the app and begin customizing it. So the first thing is to add or sign in to sync other devices that are using your Microsoft Edge browser, but I'm not gonna do that. You can press on add account or sign in to sync. I'm gonna do it later. From here, you can also enable or not enable your sharing your data preferences with Microsoft. I'm not gonna do that, confirm. And the last option is to set Microsoft Edge as your default browser. And in order to do that, simply press yes, let's do it. Now select browser app and go for Edge. Go back and your Edge browser is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.